The fifth one is you want to make sure that your sections are distinct and functional. Now, I have seen organizations, some of them use scope to mean one thing, others use scope to mean another thing. Fine, no problem. But your organization needs to decide what the function of each organization is. If you have roles and responsibilities, and that's a thing, if you have roles separate, responsibilities separate, that's your thing, that's fine. But as an organization, you need to make sure that those are distinct, A, and B, that your writers understand the function of each section, right? Because in a lot of organizations, and I'll talk about this shortly, in a lot of organizations, they never bother to train people. Here's the template, have at it. And so what we get is a mishmash of information because you want your SOPs to be consistent. A, B, you want people to be able to write them easily and quickly. And it's not this hair-pulling experience that, as Jessica said, you have meeting after meeting after meeting after meeting because nobody knows what the expectations are. Right? So whatever you all decide is fine, but it has to be across the organization.